Alright, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean out your computer if you're a nerd, I think. I don't really know what's going to come out of this. Alright, let's go. Literally just need lighting for the video. Is that too much to ask? Computers suck. This sucks. Everything sucks. I just want... There we go. Get these screws out of here. This is so, like, not safe. I'm pretty sure I just bricked my PC doing that. That's what I came here for. I mean, I'm just kind of curious. How long is this little piece of dust been in here? So that might be an issue. But I can't really deal with it right now, so... Is that even dust, or is that just dirt? Maybe if I just run the fan, it'll blow the dust out. So basically, I don't have the right screwdriver for this, but I'm just gonna keep going. See that? I got a twist. I think it's working. I can't really tell. Alright. Wow. It's not great. Is my shit rusted, bro? No, just dusted. It's very clear to me now that I am not a computer person. Get rid of all this. Okay. Alright, so I know some of y'all are gonna start hating on the way I cable manage my computer. I'd just like to point out so, to be honest, I don't really remember which way this goes. Yeah, it did go in this way. So, I don't really know what to do with these. Okay. I know it's supposed to be a tutorial, but I'm learning just as much as you guys today. Is this getting tighter? Yeah, I'm gonna be surprised if this thing even turns on after this. I'm not even gonna be surprised, I'm gonna be amazed. I mean, come on, there's only so much I can do. And now you're inside the hole upside down. Alright, let's see how you fit in there. Pretty nicely. So how am I supposed to actually get this in there? Alright, so it's kind of a two-hand job, so I see why I didn't get it the first time. Basically, I took these things right here, and I had to like flip this up to the other side. I'm not going to do it because it's going to come back out. Get this thing over a little plastic piece under it. You can't really see it, but like it's right there. Yeah, you can see that one a little better. Plug this in. There we go. I guess let's find out if it still turns on. Probably not. So I know it may seem like I forgot to like show you how to take your side panel and stuff off, but I literally lost mine, so I can't really show you. Basically, what you're gonna want to do is find some screws on the side of your computer and just like unscrew them. I forgot to film it, but it turned on. Yeah. That looks about right. This seems about right. Yeah, maybe I broke something. That's okay though. So yeah, I hope you guys learned as much as I did today. All my shit just loaded.